As the new year unfolds, it's a time of deep reflection for me about what I've done in the past year and where I'm heading in the new year. A substantial part of my life revolves around my work as a divorce attorney. Today, I want to delve into the 10 core reasons why I'm passionate about practicing divorce law and provide you some real examples from my own experience in the last year to illustrate why this work is, I believe, morally and ethically significant. Number one, I advocate for fairness. This past year, I represented a spouse who was unaware of their marital financial situation. Through diligent investigation and negotiation, we ensured an equitable division of assets for my client and brought fairness to a situation that could have been unjust otherwise. Two, I protect children's interests. Last year, I was the lawyer for a father in a very contentious custody battle. I advocated for a parenting plan that prioritized the children's needs and focused on their educational stability and their emotional well-being, and therefore I hope ensured that they have a nurturing environment despite the divorce. Number three, I facilitated an amicable resolution. So I helped a couple who started with a highly adversarial stance and helped them transition to a mediated settlement agreement, which saved them emotional and financial strain and preserved the respectful co-parenting relationship that they had. Number four, I empower my clients. Last year, a client felt very overwhelmed by the legal process, and through education and guidance, they became more informed about their decisions about child support and property division, and through my help, they gained some peace of mind. Five, I uphold the law. In a very complex case involving hidden assets last year, I ensured the legal compliance while uncovering the truth and guarded my client's legal rights and upholded the integrity of the judicial process in general. Six, I support life transition. This last year, I assisted a client in transitioning from their married life to independence and provided them resources and advice on financial planning and emotional support networks, and helped them facilitate a positive new beginning for themselves. Seven, I promote personal growth. A client initially was shattered by the divorce, didn't want it, and used this life change to pursue a new career that they were aspiring to and develop their personal goals. I supported that and navigated that transformation throughout the period. Eight, I resolve complex issues. This year I handled a case with very intricate business assets and international properties as well. And I navigated the complexities of that to reach a fair settlement for my client. Number nine, I reduce conflict. In another high conflict situation, I employed conflict resolution techniques I've learned in practice and transformed a confrontational dynamic between two spouses into a more collaborative process, which was especially beneficial for the emotional health of their children. Number 10, I provide closure. Last year, I had a prolonged divorce process that was leaving my client feeling stuck. Through persistent negotiations and strategic planning, we achieved a resolution that allowed my client to move forward with their life and closed a challenging chapter, put that behind them. I understand the profound impact of divorce on individuals. I've been through it myself and their families. My commitment is to navigate my clients through this legal process with empathy, fairness, and a deep sense of responsibility. This new year, as I reflect on the significance of my work, I'm reminded of the positive changes and the new beginnings that can arise from the challenge of a divorce. With that reflection, my dedication is renewed to help my clients transition into a new chapter of their lives, a chapter with the support and guidance they need and deserve. Thanks for watching. My name is Sean Palmer with the Palmer Law Firm, where we can't protect your heart, but we can protect your rights. Happy New Year.